Let's get to the point. Masarap ang April menu ni Starbucks Philippines, and this is one of their most delicious and best limited seasonal menus yet. Pinapatawad ko na sila sa limited edition nilang Snoopy drink na walang Snoopy biscuit kasi nag-out of stock agad. I ordered a total of 6 items and overall okay sila. Sa Starbucks ko pa pala malalasahan ang decente and delicious na shawarma. Mas masarap pa ang shawarma ni Starbucks kaysa sa Turks. And let's be honest, ang pinakamasarap sa Turks ay si Piolo. And let's be honest again, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. I tried 3 drinks. Number 1, Seashore Shortbread Cream Frappuccino, tall size, no coffee. Number 2, Ruby Grapefruit Paradise Cold Brew, tall size with coffee. Number 3, Seashore Mint Chocolate Latte with coffee, hot and tall, parang yung crush kong tambay sa kalye. The Seashore Shortbread Cream Frappuccino was beautiful, mahirap lang i-pronounce. May popping boba na mukhang pearls or sea bubbles, and the drink itself had a light blue color. May delicious shortbread crumbs pa sa baba. My only suggestion, increase the blue color pa sana. Almost imperceptible siya. Next, the Sea Breeze Mint Chocolate Latte. Okay ang idea of combining mint and chocolate, but this can benefit from a 15% increase of chocolate sweetness. Last, the Ruby Grapefruit Paradise Cold Brew. Make sure you stir it. Kinabahan ako dito kasi usually may pait and lasang cardboard ang grapefruit. Sa case na ito, Starbucks got everything right. For the food, I tried 3. Number 1, tortilla de patatas con chorizo. Number 2, salted caramel butter pecan piaya. Number 3, beef shawarma. The tortilla de patatas, think of it as an omelette na mas dense. Parang yung pangit na umaway sa akin, ang dense din niya. In fairness kay Starbucks, this was well made, well seasoned, and delicious. I suggest i-take home nyo ang kalahati, gawin yung ulam sa gabi, samahan nyo ng banana ketchup, and perfect meal na ito habang nanonood ng Netflix. The salted caramel butter pecan piaya, maganda ang concept, and gets ko naman ang nakasulat, salted caramel. But this was overly salty, sayang masarap pa naman. The beef shawarma was well made, well seasoned, had generous filling, and was nakakabusog. Linibre pala ako ng friend ko ng slice of their new blackout cake, 265 pesos. This was delicious, the right density, and in fairness, hindi overly sweet, pero lasang chocolate pa rin. Pwede pala yon. And speaking of Starbucks, shout out pala sa hardworking, mabait, and excellent team ng Starbucks Eugenio Lopez Drive sa Quezon City. Kahit pagod na sila, 100% pa rin ang performance and ang warmth nila. Shout out din sa lahat ng Starbucks teams and to all food and beverage and tourism employees nationwide. Habang nagbabakasyon ang marami sa atin sa Holy Week, sila ay nagtatrabaho. Please be extra kind to them, and if you can, add an extra tip. Click follow for the next story.